Creating a baby-proof home environment is an essential step in ensuring your little one's safety as they begin to explore the world around them. As a new parent, you might be wondering where to start. Here are some crucial tips to help you create a safe haven for your baby. Before your baby starts crawling, it's important to assess your home from their perspective. Get down on your hands and knees to identify potential hazards. Secure heavy furniture to the walls to prevent tipping, and cover sharp corners with protective padding. Install safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs to prevent falls. Make sure they are securely mounted and cannot be easily dislodged. Use doorknob covers and locks to keep curious hands out of rooms that aren't baby-proofed. Electrical outlets are a common hazard. Use outlet covers or safety plugs to prevent little fingers from exploring them. Keep cords out of reach and secure them to the wall if necessary. In the kitchen, use stove knob covers and keep sharp objects, cleaning supplies, and small appliances out of reach. Consider installing cabinet locks to keep curious hands away from dangerous items. Bathrooms can be particularly hazardous. Always keep the toilet lid closed and use a toilet lock. Store medications, cosmetics, and cleaning products in high cabinets or locked drawers. Remember, supervision is key. No amount of baby-proofing can replace the watchful eye of a parent. Regularly check your home for new hazards as your baby grows and becomes more mobile. Creating a baby-proof environment is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and adaptation. With these steps, you can ensure your home is a safe place for your baby to learn and grow. Every family and home is unique, so tailor your baby-proofing efforts to fit your specific needs.